This is crypto arbitrage trading tutorial. Make sure you watch to the end and we'll learn on how to trade crypto arbitrage trading using automated bots. So crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. Make sure you click the link in the bio to get free classes, and also you comment crypto arbitrage trading and you might get free funding. So you can use Binance or you can substitute with any other exchange. Then you come on P2P where you buy your cryptocurrency. So everybody knows that. And as you can see, my today's trade, I start with 835. So in this, I won't make a withdrawal, but in the next video, I'll be making a withdrawal after trading crypto arbitrage trading with arbitrage bots. So you come and deposit in Tranquilly actually. Just go to your browser, search tranquilly.com. Then you make sure you register and you verify your email and KYC. So verifying your email and KYC doesn't automatically unlock the bots, but you can see everything. Your account will be verified. But for you to unlock the arbitrage bots and any other bots, you have to deposit for you to start trading crypto. Trading doesn't have what we call demo trading. You have never seen that in Bybit, Bitget, or Binance or anywhere. So don't be lied to. So after that, after depositing to your Tranquilly account, just come and click on arbitrage bots. Remember, we are trading crypto arbitrage. So you click on arbitrage bots. You can see I have made 112 complete sessions, and this is the net profits that I have been making. So some are small, some are big, and I can show you some of the profits here. Mostly I do trade with a capital of 1,000. The capital, you can see it here. Sometimes I go low as 100, so that we can be on the same page, and I show you that actually you can make profits with a small capital. So today we'll be trading with 500 USDTs. So stick to the end and we see how much we'll make with that. So I will be using Velocity Swap bot. This is not my bot. You find it in Tranquilly, and it is not a bot to trade Forex or anything. It is a bot to trade crypto arbitrage trading. So after depositing to your account, I said you'll unlock the arbitrage bots, like this one. So the bot is trading between Binance and Mexic. The win rate is 127, and you can see the expected profit is 113%, and the maximum risk is negative 35%. So that is the loss margin. It is trading two pairs, that is Doge and USDT. You can see it here. And the bot will be running for 1 hour, scalping arbitrage. The minimum amount is 100, but as I told you, we usually do large capital. Actually, things are getting better. The profit has shifted to 300. So I told you, you target the market very well so that you can make good profits. So we are lucky. Let's deploy the bot with a capital of 500 USDTs. And as you can see, we can triple our capital. So let's see. Let's run the bot and we see what we'll get. I'm sorry. So as long as the bot is running and you get a green, if you hit deploy and you get a green, what will be showed here, this will what will get at the end of the bot. So the bot is running right now. You can check it here. Everything is running, and it will take 1 hour. So for those who have used this bot, do get what I'm saying. But if you haven't started, just go and start now. So I said I'll be doing around 3 videos in a day. So this is video 1, which we didn't make a withdrawal. You watch part 2 of today's video, we'll make a withdrawal of not less than 50 USDTs. And also I will guide you on another video on how to trade crypto arbitrage trading manually. So make sure you start now.